In line number 7, we can create a type with name, student names, and assign it with some values. Let us say Kathy or Colin or Andrew. And then in line number 9, we will create a constant type as student record and use the record utility function and say that would accept the type student names, which is of the type student interface. In line number 10, we will create a property Kathy and mention the value after a colon, which is of type student interface. I am saying the ID with value 1, name with value Kathy Costa, and age as 12. Similarly, in line number 11, I am saying Colin and mentioning the Colin's property. The student Colin as ID number 2, name Matthew, and age 14. Similarly, in line number 12, I am saying Andrew and properties of Andrew. ID is 3, name is Andrew Lord, and age is 21. I have missed the property name. I will give it now. So we have created a student record. In line number 31, if I say student record dot Andrew, I should see the properties of Andrew as output. Now let me open a new terminal and select the option as command prompt. We will compile the code by saying tsc space myapp.ts. So once the compilation is completed, we will say node space myapp. Now we are seeing the intended output. In line number 15, we will create a type with name pick student and use the pick utility function of TypeScript, which will accept the interface student from which we are going to pick the list of properties. So we say student comma ID or name. So we have picked a couple of properties from the student interface. In line number 17, we create a constant student picked and say colon pick student and assign it with corresponding values for the properties picked. I say ID as 22, name as Carlos. If I try to give age as a property, then I see a compile error saying the property age does not exist in the type pick student, because we did not pick the property age. Now let us try and run the output. In line number 32, to the print student info function, I am passing the student picked type as input parameter. Now I say tsc space myapp.ts, and once the code is compiled, I say node space myapp. So we are getting undefined printed in the console for the property that we did not pass. Instead of using the pick keyword and selecting particular property, we can also use the omit utility function available in TypeScript. In line number 15, I say omit age property from the student type. And now when I run the program, I should get the same output which I got when using the pick utility function. So in the output terminal, we can see undefined for the property age because we have omitted age. Let us see what is exclude and extract utility function in TypeScript. I say in line number 1, type space student list equal to Ramesh or John or Sam or Kathy or Jeremy. So I have my student list ready. I create another type, hardworking. I will add John or Kathy into the hardworking student type. In line number 3, I create another type as performers. I will say Kathy or Ramesh as performing student. In line number 4, I create a type non-performers. I use the exclude utility function of TypeScript and say exclude from student list all the performing students. So under non-performing students, I will have John, Sam and Jeremy. In line number 5, I say hard workers and performers. I use the extract utility function of TypeScript and say extract hardworking students from performing students. So obviously I will have Kathy, who is hardworking and a performer. Use a record utility function in TypeScript when you want to construct an object type whose property keys are keys and whose property values are type. This utility can be used to map the properties of a type to another type. Use a pick utility function in TypeScript when you want to construct a type by picking the set of property keys from type. Omit utility function in TypeScript are exactly opposite to pick. These constructs a type by picking all properties from type and then removing the keys. Use a exclude utility function in TypeScript when you want to construct a type by excluding the type all union members that are assignable to a excluded union. Use a extract utility function in TypeScript when you want to construct a type by extracting from type all union members that are assignable to the union.